It's Super Bowl Sunday.
You see me where I am, you won't forget about me. You hold my hand, you say that my identity is in you. I don't feel worth it 'cause I'm not, but you still stay. You love me so much that you send your son to.
It's Super Bowl Sunday. Our plan was to attend the first service. Our church has two services, one like early morning, another one mid-morning. And we typically attend the early morning one just because we're early risers. Well, I'm an early riser. And so we just prefer to go for that service and then get on with the rest of our day. Like by the time we're leaving church, it's still like 10:30 and we literally have our entire Sunday. But last minute, I have a meeting which is after the second service. So my meeting is at 1:15 p.m. So yeah, I'm just like home this morning, just like swapped out my laundry. I did laundry last night, so took that out. My plan was to come back home from church and then just like marinate chicken for us to have later for dinner while watching the Super Bowl. But seeing as though I might come back home from church late because my meeting is supposed to be like an hour and a half. But I know whenever we have that meeting, we end up like staying in there for like 3 hours, sometimes 4 hours. So I'm gonna marinate my chicken now. I already thawed it like overnight. So I'll marinate it now. That way by the time we come back home from church, I just need to put it in the oven. So my plan is like putting like a doing like a grilled or baked chicken and maybe like with sweet potatoes or potatoes. I'll see with like broccoli or like carrots or whatever veggies I feel like making at that point. But yeah, let's do the chicken first.
Your son to save. It's true. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the price. In your love, you made me, forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking my identity.
wearing pink today, so I'm thinking, let's do this dress. I also just packed my bag and I just wanted to show you guys this. This is like a basket where I keep, what can I call it now? It's just a basket I keep things that I use to stock up or pack my handbag for the day whenever I'm going somewhere. I just find that it's easier to keep everything in one central spot so that I'm not looking for anything. So I have, let me put it down here. I have a toiletry bag. This is one of my toiletry bags. I'll say this is the bigger one, and I'll use this depending on where I'm going or what type of handbag I'm using. Today I'm using a smaller handbag, so I'm going to use a smaller toiletry bag. And then I just have like extra wallets, a hairbrush, wipes. I have a hanky, a pen, hand cream, hand sanitizer, a perfume, a vapor rub, just like in case I'm feeling fluey that day. I have lip balms. These two are lip balms. I have a mouthwash, a cable as well. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So I have like these things in, I would say, multiple. So some of them are in my linen closet, the extras. And then in here, I literally just keep on rotation the things that I'm using. And of course, yeah, the things that are in my actual handbag for today. So yeah, let's get going. For scent, let's do Chanel.
And very importantly, especially in your marriage, your spouse is the most intimate relationship. And honestly speaking, whatever that man is enjoying from you or is not getting from you is the best reflection of who you are. You're not constantly seeking validation or approval from fellow man. Your spouse cannot be God in your life. And so please stop looking up to your husband. Is just a man. Your wife is woman. She can only give the little that she has. It's only God that is unlimited. And some deep needs in our lives, no fellow man can give it. We need to learn to channel our desires and our affections and our need to the right quarters, which is the Almighty God. And I want to remind us that this love we are
I'm back home. My meeting was supposed to be from 1:15 for about an hour and a half, but we ended up leaving church at 4. So when I got back home, I was so tired. I didn't even end up making the other stops I wanted to make. Just came straight home, rested a little, and now I'm putting the chicken in the oven and I'm pairing it with sweet potatoes and broccoli. This game, honestly, it didn't feel like a final NFL game to me. If you watched it, you probably can relate to some parts of this as well. It was really slow and we tried watching till like halftime. But then again, we're also not into like the halftime shows because a lot be going on there. So the moment it hit off time, we switched the channel and started watching a movie. The goal was to go back to the game after the halftime show, but the movie was so good, we didn't even end up going back to watch the game. While watching the movie, I got into the part of my Sunday routine I absolutely cannot skip, regardless of how tired I am, which is planning for the new week. So what we're gonna be eating, my top priorities for work, reviewing our calendars for combined activities, just putting things in place to ensure we have a good flow as the week starts. And that was really it for this Sunday. God bless you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.